Let's graph the cotangent. For cotangent 2x minus pi over 4 plus 3. Same starting steps as all the other graphs. Our absolute value of a is equal to 4. Our k is equal to 3. This is also our horizontal axis. Shifting the graph up 3. Then we have 3 plus 4, that's equal to 7. This is our high point. And 3 minus 4, this is equal to negative 1. This is our low point. We'll just call it high or low. It's definitely not our min or max. Our period, remember, the period for cotangent is also pi, and it's simply going to be pi over b, which is pi over 2. Our interval length, once we figure out what our new endpoints are, our interval between those will be pi over 2 divided by 4 or pi over 8. Now for cotangent, you can see one nice curve between 0 and pi. Now remember, 0 and pi, the cotangent is undefined there. So that's why it's not less than or equal to, it's just strictly less than. So for cotangent, we should go from 0 to pi. So you're going to add pi over 4, divide 2. You're going to add pi over 4, and divide 2. And so on this side it's going to be pi over 8. And on this side it's going to be 5 pi over 8. Because our interval length was pi over 8, we didn't have to change any denominator, so we have our 5 points. Pi over 8, 2 pi over 8, 3 pi over 8, 4 pi over 8, and 5 pi over 8. Now again, we made sure that our first and last points were our asymptotes. So pi over 8 and 5 pi over 8 are our asymptotes. Now for cotangent, it goes to the high point, then to the horizontal axis, then to the low point. And so this is 7, this is 3, and this is negative 1. Alright, so at our first and our last points, we made sure that they were our vertical asymptotes. At 2 pi over 8, we're at 7. At 3 pi over 8, we're on the horizontal axis. At 4 pi over 8, we're at our low point. And in 5 pi over 8, we're on our asymptote. So connecting the dots as best as we can. This is going to be one period of cotangent.